In this tutorial I am going to show the easiest way to install Kali Linux on a computer or laptop. First, we have to download an application called VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a virtual machine application from Oracle and it's free to download. Click the big download VirtualBox 6.1 and select Windows Host for platform packages. Once downloaded, install the VirtualBox. Just set all the options as default by following the on-screen instruction. Next, for the Kali Linux distribution, once again, visit your web browser and search for Kali Linux or simply go to kali.org. Go to the download section and click download Kali Linux from the drop-down. Since we are using VirtualBox, we are going to use the pre-built virtual machine for VirtualBox. Click the link and it will redirect you to the download page. Scroll down below. Click the plus sign under Kali Linux VirtualBox Images. Choose Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit over. Reminder: in order to fully set up or run Kali Linux you will need again to install VirtualBox. An Oracle VPN VirtualBox extension pack by downloading and installing it in the device. Just follow the video tutorial. Once the download was finished, go to your VirtualBox and import the appliance. Another option is by simply double-clicking the Kali Linux virtual image download to install setup. Notice the required minimum hardware specification, at least 2 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores is needed. Once all set, click import and wait for the process to finish. Why installing virtually when you can install it in a traditional way? The reason is that, it's much easier to set up, to hide, to update, and the important part is whenever you encounter anything that is of a problem, you can easily set up the Kali Linux again without the hassle of having your entire device reformatted. Congratulations, now, Kali Linux was successfully installed in the virtual machine.